Welcome to Car Show 1, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. Here, we bring you detailed reviews, exciting updates, and in-depth looks at some of the most anticipated cars in the world. Whether you're a gearhead or just love staying updated on the latest in the automotive world, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and join our journey into the fascinating world of cars. Today, we're diving into the 2025 LADA NIVA Travel, an SUV that's turning heads for all the right reasons. Known for its ruggedness and simplicity, the Niva has been a symbol of durability for decades, and the 2025 version takes this legacy to the next level. The first thing you'll notice about the new LADA NIVA Travel is its updated design. The boxy, utilitarian shape has been modernized with bold lines and a sleeker finish, giving it a more contemporary look. Up front, the redesigned grille and LED headlights make a strong statement, while the pronounced wheel arches and sturdy roof rails add a sense of adventure. The 2025 NIVA Travel manages to strike the perfect balance between staying true to its roots and embracing a modern aesthetic. Step inside, and you'll be pleasantly surprised by the improvements in the cabin. The interior is functional but now features upgraded materials and a more refined layout. The new infotainment system comes with a touchscreen interface that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, catering to modern connectivity needs. Despite its compact size, the NIVA Travel offers decent seating space and ample headroom, making it a practical option for families and off-road enthusiasts alike. Under the hood, the 2025 LADA NIVA Travel is equipped with a reliable 1.8-liter engine, delivering enough power for daily commutes and off-road escapades. It's paired with a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, giving drivers the flexibility they need. The real star of the show, however, is its all-wheel drive system. Designed to tackle challenging terrains, the NIVA Travel continues to shine as a capable off-roader. With improved ground clearance and enhanced suspension, this SUV handles rugged trails and muddy paths with ease. Safety has also been a focus in this latest iteration. The 2025 NIVA Travel comes with features like electronic stability control, hill descent assist, and multiple airbags to ensure peace of mind on and off the road. It may not be packed with the latest autonomous driving technologies, but it makes up for it by staying true to its rugged and dependable character. What sets the LADA NIVA Travel apart is its affordability. In a market filled with increasingly expensive SUVs, the NIVA Travel remains an accessible option for those who value simplicity, functionality, and adventure. It's not trying to compete with luxury SUVs or flashy crossovers. Instead, it stays true to its mission of being a dependable and versatile vehicle for a variety of needs. So, what do you think about the 2025 LADA NIVA Travel? Is this rugged yet modern SUV the right fit for your lifestyle? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Show 1 for more exciting car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.